nnamdikanu being betrayed by, I think, his close pals. But do you think that Ekpa will come down with his agitation?
No, Ekpa will never succumb to Tinubu's system of buying people into believing him. Believing in him. Tinubu can buy anybody. Even Tinubu is out to buy anybody with money. As I'm talking to you now, no visible project is going on in Lagos State since last year after Sanwo-Olu won the second tenure. What Lagos State government is busy doing is keeping Tinubu money for him. Tinubu's company, Alpha Beta, is the one in charge of Lagos State Public Fund. Tax.
Yeah.
Is the one that is managing Lagos State public taxpayers' money. Alpha Beta. So Sanwo-Olu is busy keeping his percentage. Sanwo-Olu is busy giving Tinubu his own commission. No project is visible as I'm talking to you now in Lagos State. What they do is patching most of the potholes on the road. That is patch. Because he is keeping money for his orga comes 2027. See, 2027, Tinubu is going to buy everybody. So what I'm trying to advise is that when you are giving any amount of money, use that money. Don't reject it. Be wise. Just ask yourself a question. Where does this money come from? Then I want to give you an answer. This money is from taxpayers' money. I'm a Lagosian or I'm a Nigerian. I am part and parcel of the public funds generated from what? Taxation. So collect the money, use it for children's school fees, use it for at least any enterprise or enterprises you are, and you can manage well, or you are well expressed on. So don't reject any money from these people. Accept the money, knowing fully well that when their regime again kicks off in 2027, you are not going to benefit. Your children are not going to benefit. So what I'm trying to say is that Tinubu can buy anybody, but not Simon Ekpa. Why? Simon Ekpa is an Igbo man. And every average Igbo man currently is aggrieved over what federal government of Nigeria has been doing to Igbos since the war, after the war. Are you listening to me? After the war, they turn enmities to Igbos. They become anti-Igbo. They initiated anti-Igbo movement among the Fulani Hausa Yoruba themselves. And I want to tell you that since then, 1970 till date, what Nigerian nation is suffering is Igbophobia. Igbophobia. That is excess hatred for Igbo man. And that Igbophobia is going on over time and over time. How do I bust your brain here? I just want to insert examples using Fulani Hausa youths or men from the north. See, the 95% revenue generation of Lagos State is because of the Igbos. It's from the Igbos. Why? Igbo man paid for transportation from Onitsha, Oka, Owerri, Enugu, all the southeastern commercial cities. What? And came to Lagos. They paid for transportation. They pay for house rent. They pay for the chops that they are using to trade. They pay for Loma. They pay for electricity. They pay for anything payable. Where government is getting money from individuals. See, let me tell you. Hausa man come from north. Hausa man follow trailer. Hausa man touched, alighted from the trailer at the axis of Okoba, that's abattoir.
Yeah.
They camp there. They disperse themselves to various cities, locations of Lagos State, and each and every gate, each and every security post where malams, kiosks are. They settled there. They slept outside. They slept on top of the pavement. They slept in people's store, extensions from people's store. They don't pay for house rent. They don't pay for light. They don't pay for anything. Outside Fulani has not contributed anything to the economy of Lagos. Yet, the Igbo man does. The Igbo man pays virtually for everything. Yet, his Yoruba brother, his Yoruba landlord, his Yoruba friend could not, reintegrate with Igbo man. His Yoruba friend can never even allow him to live in his house peacefully. The landlord will be eyeing you when you are cooking soup. The landlord will be after you when you are looking good. The landlord is after you when you buy your car. You are an Igbo man, you are hated generally by Nigerian government. See, you generate this money in Lagos State, they are what? Eyeing your property to the level that last year, the kind of Igbo man properties destroyed across Lagos State are heartbreaking. Igbo lost millions, billions from last year to date, billions of dollars. I cite an example. Look at the landmark resort owned by an Igbo man. Tinubu government had destroyed that resort that worth over 1 trillion naira. The establishment is down. That is Igbophobia, anti-Igboism. We are their pain when we are doing well. We are their what? Heart attack when they see us alive. So what I'm trying to say is that nobody can ever buy Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa, nobody. No government, no man, no money can lure Simon Ekpa into believing in Nigeria. See, let me tell you. Trana, that's game. Tranana, that's final. Biafra has gone. Nothing ever can ever stop nnamdikanu or Simon Ekpa from carrying out all their what plan comes this December or even beyond. What I'm telling Nigeria is that it is over. Igbo man is your problem. Igbo man has gone. If I go down to east, if you come to eastern Nigeria, if I like, I collect you as a landlord, as my tenant. If I don't, you can go. I have had my experience in the southwest. There's nothing anybody can tell me in Igbo land when I get to Anambra State. Okay, listen and listen. Go. We have houses. My Yoruba tenants, if I like, I will carry you, put for body. If I don't like, I will do you what your papa and uncle did me in Lagos. If I want to be a Christian, I will just live my life and leave you for your own wickedness. What I'm trying to say is that Igbos should begin to think home. Going home is the latest sensitization. Are you listening to me? To Igbo man. Igbo man should now be sensitive about going back to Anambra, Imo, Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi, and so on and so forth. Nobody in the southwest, there are very few Yorubas could even just say, I like Igbo. Very educated few. There are even some that are very educated and too wicked. Because they are of their education, they become more aggressive to the Igbos. So let me tell you, let us, Igbo, go home, leave these people, go home, they will understand that we made them. Lagos made by Igbos. By the time we go home, these people will understand whom we are. But since we are here, they hate you. You pay for your house, you pay for the shop where you are doing business, you pay for Loma, you pay for this, you pay for that. Still, the government does not like you. Example, what happened last year has indicated that if government of the Federation of Nigeria is not handed over to Igbo man, Nigeria will remain in abyss. And when Biafra goes, that is when they begin to understand. They will begin to understand the value, the virtue, the worth of Igbo man.
But will Lagos not lose in tax?
You say what?
Lagos, they will lose in tax. But that's not anybody's business.
Okay, let me tell you, tax is here. Igbo man is the one that generates tax. Go and investigate. What Dangote is paying there, Dangote's company is a public liability company. Igbo man has share there, stake. Yoruba man has stake there. Okay, go and investigate Lagos State. If you doubt me, go and ask the former governor of Lagos State, Raji Fachola, will tell you actually that we are the owner of Lagos economy. I listen to me. But this kind of hate against Igbo, anti-Igboism, Igbophobia will never allow these people, the people of this indigenous way of this land, to do the needful to their visitors. But I tell you, it is time for the Igbos to go. Let us try and go. Let us try and be thinking about relocating most of our business to southeastern Nigeria. Anyway, I'm happy because, of course, many Igbos have already relocated to southeastern Nigeria. But you know, it has not been visible and effective yet because Igbos, we are many as the sun on the earth. We are many. Anywhere you go in Africa, you will see us there, trading, doing our business without looking for trouble. Don't mind people that point accusing finger at Igbos, denying them all their possible, at least, position in the central, in the federal politics or in the federal capital territory or at the office of the presidency. They are just doing it out of mere hatred, individualistic mentality. That is greed and jealousness. But I tell you, time has gone. Simon Ekpa is listening to me now. Possibly nnamdikanu some days or sometimes is gonna listen to me. Nnamdikanu is not gonna retract from believing in Biafra. Likewise, Simon Ekpa is not gonna refrain from doing what he's doing, because Ekpa himself is aggrieved. Every man is aggrieved over what Fulani and some of the errant tribes in the southern Nigerians are doing to Igbo man. Just last year, from last year to date, Igbo man has lost trillions of naira to hate, to their what? Detractors. I use the word detractors. You hate Igbo, you're an anti-Igbo, anti-Igbo, you are a detractor to the core. And later, your offspring, generations of your children are going to regret it, because we have gotten the sensitization this time around that going down to the blue southeast is it. And when Biafra comes, you're not going to see us here.
In game, he played Jonathan. Tinubu played Jonathan. That Jonathan cannot go second time. He went into alliance with North, and they take broom, sweep Jonathan off. From this year, we are packing our luggage. Biafra must go.
A PDP and chieftain, Abdulaziz Abubakar, has come and said that Tinubu should forget 2027 election. That he wants to see whether the Southwest alone can make Tinubu the two-time president. He has also come and said that the last election, that there was the northern people that gave Tinubu the presidency, that he cannot see Tinubu winning in 2027 without the support of the northern population.
For northern chieftain of PDP, not APC, to tell Tinubu that you should forget about northern vote in 2027. A chieftain of PDP, to show that North are one, no matter the political party they belong to, North are one. By a member of PDP to come and tell Tinubu under APC, you should forget about northern vote in 2027. That North will come out massively and vote against him, which means PDP and APC of North, including Labour Party of North, wouldn't mind to come together against Tinubu and APC West. Because by 2027, they should count Biafra out from Nigerian election, because Biafra will not be there. So the election will be between the North, Arewa, and the West, the Yorubas. Because by God's grace, from this year, we are packing our luggage. Biafra must go. And we will go and live in Nigeria.
Not Ghana must go.
Not Ghana must go. Biafra must go. We will pack our with Ghana must go. If Rifator is slalom bag, it will be written both Libya. Biafra must go. We will go and live in Nigeria. So the election, the contest of election or struggle of the election will be between Arewa and Oduduwa. You understand? So Arewa can march together against Oduduwa. Oduduwa will rise up to stand to make sure they rule 2 terms as Nigerian president. And rigging Yankubu, Mahadu Yankubu, INEC chairman, unless they remove him, there's no way again to ring the election to Tinubu, because now Nyamri have gone. P2B is no more contesting.
Why will you not contest now?
Eh?
Why will P2B not contest?
P2B will go to Biafra, because what they like is Biafra. If P2B,
Well, if P2B doesn't possess the or have the Biafra passport, so
no. Listen. Let me make it clear. Anybody that have participated in Nigerian politics or public office holder in Nigeria starting from local government, even councillor, even NGO owner under Nigeria will never participate in anything public office in Biafra because the corruption of Nigeria have eaten their blood. Corruption of Nigeria has become cancer blood in them. So they will not participate in anything Biafran holder. They will only live as a citizen and do mind their own business finally. Even though they cannot advise anybody holding political office in Biafra. Even to be a contractor, doing work for Biafran government, they cannot do it. So let's forget about where they consider they will not contest. But I'm telling them that that very day, in 2027, no Biafran man, whether the corrupt one or the good one, will participate in Nigerian election because they have gone. So now it's left for North and the West. And if you see it, this man have quite sure that they will win election because normally they will go to Niger, Mali, Chad, Burkina Faso, Sudan, Central African Republic, and deploy Fulani again. They become unregistered and vote him out. But I want to ask a question. Tinubu where they love, Tinubu that is their darling, that made them to rig election against P2B, who won the election, although I did not support him to participate. But as he participated, they vote him. Okay, good luck to him. Then why do they are crying against Tinubu now? What have Tinubu done there? What crime have Tinubu commit against North? Even on party say you don't win again. He didn't say PDP will not vote for you. You cannot contest other PDP, but not in general, including him, PDP, will not vote Tinubu again. What have Tinubu done? What is offense? What crime have you committed against them? I need answer. Let them answer me. Now, Tinubu himself, Bible says in the book of Galatians chapter 6, I think verse 6 to 8, do not be mocked. Do not be deceived, for God is not mocked. Whatever a man sow, that he shall reap. If you sow to flesh unto corruption, you shall reap from flesh unto corruption. If you do to spirit to life eternal, you shall reap through spirit to life eternal. The same game he played Jonathan, Tinubu played Jonathan. That Jonathan cannot go second time. He went into alliance with North.